This video is to show you how to use CloudExtend to set a null value for a dropdown and text field type for your records. First, we are going to use the department field as the dropdown. In this column field, we're going to add double brackets around the word null. Once we add null, we're going to repeat it throughout the rows. Next, we're going to be using memo as the text field. In memo, we're going to be using :empty: to set a null value for the text field. Once we repeat the empty value, we are going to select Upsert. And once you go to Upsert All and click on it, it's going to update the null value for both department and memo. Next, we're going to go and refresh the data to confirm it was removed from the line level department and memo field in NetSuite. As you can see, the data has been removed. This video is to show you how to remove sublist lines from a transaction or record within CloudExtend. To set this video up, we're removing lines from a journal entry record. We will remove lines 172 and 173 to make sure the journal entry is balanced. In order to remove them from NetSuite, we'll highlight and delete those rows. Once lines 172 and 173 are removed, we will go to Upsert and update the journal entry. After the update is complete, we will refresh the data to confirm lines 172 and 173 will not return from NetSuite. As you can see, those lines did not return. Thank you for watching.